Hi everyone, it's Justin. So I'm going to take you on the process of flocking one of my Ken dolls. So I bought this Velvet Crush flocking kit from Michaels, and I thought it was going to be great out of the package. When I initially did it and followed the steps, it didn't work. So instead of using the tinted adhesive, I'm switching over to Mod Podge. So I am putting the Mod Podge over my doll's head, and now I am squeezing the flocking powder onto the doll. As you see now in the video, there are some dent spots, and you can definitely see the rooting holes. So we're going to do a second application. So we are going to go back, do another thin layer of Mod Podge, and this is the second part of me doing that. Came out a lot thicker. But then I noticed there were some missing areas around the hairline. So I am going to go back to the hairline specifically and fill that in with some light touches of Mod Podge and really let it bake in. So that's what we see now. Touching that up. And then we're going to put the flocking powder back on there again. As you see, I'm catching the flocking powder in plastic tray. And this is my final results. After these pictures, I did notice some fine tuning. So what you'll see in the dress picture are the updates that I did with some of the tinted adhesive, which is basically paint. Now the hairline is a lot better. And I love my completed doll. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.